The beautiful Loktak Lake is located in Manipur. It takes 45 minutes of journey by air from Guwahati to its capital city, Imphal. It usually takes an hour of journey by road from Imphal to Loktak Lake, but on the way we decided to visit Sadhu Chiru waterfall, which is 8.3 kilometers away from the main road. The road passed through scenic landscapes, villages and paddy fields. After reaching Sadhu Chiru, we decided to visit Agape Garden first, which is within the vicinity of the Sadhu Chiru waterfall. This garden is well maintained, clean and nature's paradise. The sound of waterfall, lush green vegetation and scenic hills around would make your mind fresh. This is indeed an enchanting place, stress buster and an adobe of peace. The owner of its garden, Mr. KT Kam, said that he started to build this garden in 2011 and still building new things after getting feedback from visitors. We could not go to the waterfall due to heavy rain, so we headed towards the Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India and is famous for the fungus, a heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil and organic matter at various stages of decomposition, floating over it. The lake is located in Bishnupur district of Manipur, India. The largest of all the fungus covers an area of 40 square kilometers and is situated on the southeastern shore of the lake. Kabul Lamjao National Park is the only floating national park in the world is located on this fundi. The park is the last natural refuge of the endangered deer, Sangai, the state animal of Manipur. There are many floating huts, restaurants, tourist homes and a floating school in the lake. This lake plays an important role in the economy of Manipur. It serves as a source of water for hydropower generation, irrigation and drinking water supply. The lake is also a source of livelihood for the rural fishermen who live in and around the lake. We hired a boat to go to a nearby island called Karang, for better view of the lake. Some of our co-passengers were islanders who use this mode of transport every day, and some of them use their own boat. Finally we reached the island. The islanders are friendly and ever smiling, they do fishing for living. One of the islanders took us to the highest point of the island. This is a small island in the middle of the lake. The Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology under its Digital India program, announced Karang Island as the first cashless island in India. Our country has many beautiful places hiding in the remote corners. Manipur is no exception. It is staggeringly beautiful and the people are even more so. It offers majestic landscapes, beautiful hills and valleys with green vegetation, pollution-less cool nice breath coming from green trees. There are so many places to visit in Manipur. Each place has its own identity and beauty. Finally, I must thank my friends who took me to these places. They took a day's break for this visit. I also thank all my family members for taking care of me beyond my dreams and expectations.